Hi, you guys. This is Ms. Schwenk, and we are going to be doing math together on our screen, Castify. And some of you have done this lesson already, and some of you have not. But it's great practice, no matter if you've done it with me or not, because it's kind of a hard thing. It's a new thing for us, adding big numbers. So we can't use our number racks for this or our number strings because the numbers are bigger than 20. We add them together. So we're going to use a number line. So on this practice, it tells you some beans and how many of certain beans, and you have to look on the top to see how long each of the beans are that you're adding up. So it's pretty challenging, but we're pretty smart, so we're going to do this. So for practice, 2 green beans, how much money? And really, when it says how much money, it's talking about how long are they. So I look up here, green beans are 10 cubes. 2 green beans is 10 and 10. 10 plus 10. Now, you actually could use a number string for that, but it's the only one that you'll be able to use a number string for. I'm going to move the camera. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm on. Okay, so you're starting at 0. And then you're adding plus 10. You get to 10. Plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So how much money equals 20? And it's just going to get harder after that, but we got this. The next one, and I'll let the video catch up. It's too bad it's going slow, but I guess it gives you a chance to get your work done and to work the same speed as the video is instead of my voice. So there I went. 10 plus another 10 equals 20. The answer was 20. So now moving on. 1 green bean plus 1 black bean, how much money? Green is 10. Black is 45. 10 plus 45. Now, I would say I could make life a lot easier by doing the 45 first. There's no sense starting with 10 and adding 45 to it. So I'll circle that 45. That's a good starting point. I'll start counting at 45. I don't have to start at 0. I already know I'm at 45. Plus 10 more. And every time we're going to add 10s and 1s. So, but 45, if you jumped up 10, it's not just 50, it's up to 55. And I see the video is taking a while to catch up with me again. And that's all right. 45 plus 10 equals 55. Whenever I add, I always start with a big number because it just makes life easy. So using 10s makes life easy. Starting with a bigger number makes life easy. There's no sense making it harder than it has to be. And now I'm just waiting for it to catch up. Eventually, you'll get caught up with where I'm at. There. I started with 45 first. Didn't have to start at 0. Doesn't help anything to start at 0. Plus 10. 10 more. And we're going to do lots more practice with that, adding 10 to numbers. Knowing how to add 10 to a number helps out a lot. And pretty soon in the video, I'm going to get to an answer. $55. Okay, here we go. Moving on. So those are practice. The next one says 1 green bean plus 1 purple bean, how much money? So again, we look at the top and we just read the numbers. We've figured out. So 1 green bean is still 10, plus a purple bean is 15. And I would say, why not start with a bigger number? Makes life easy. Start at 15. Make a mark, put 15. All you have to do after that is add 10 more to it. And again, that's something we're going to keep practicing. This is just the first time we're doing it. You're going to do it again and again until we get really good at doing it. So 15 plus 10 equals 25. So 10 plus 15 equals 25. Start with a big number. Makes life easy. And we'll wait right now for the video to catch up. I'm going to have to somehow work on fixing that. It's not helping me out much here. But it gives you some good think time, so that's good. We'll just watch and wait until the video catches up. It looks like starting to catch up, maybe. Oh. Well, at least I know I'm not going too fast for you. That's a good thing about this. It's taking me a while. You can go ahead. And if you go ahead, you will just be able to look back and check your work with what I eventually put on the video. There we go, 10 plus 15. I know I'm going to circle that 15 because it's a bigger number. Oh, and you know what? I could probably, you could watch me do it. I could quietly go ahead and do the next one and make the video go faster. Maybe I'll do that. I'm on purple and red right now. 15 and 12. Oh, that's a little trickier. I'll let myself finish the last one. Maybe. Goodness sakes. So there, 10 plus 15 equals 25. Now you see it there. You know I'm going to go ahead and do 15 plus 12 next. So you could be thinking in your head, how are you going to get started on that until it's time to do it. So here we go. 15 is where I put the starting point. Now I'm adding 12, not just 10. So I'm going to make a jump of 10 and then 2 more ones after that, because making things into tens really helps. So 15 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. 15 plus 10 is 25, plus 1 is 26, plus another is 27. The answer is 27. All my jumps are going to be tens and ones. And once we get a little more practice, before too long, we can add jumps of 5 as well. But for starters, we're just going to make jumps of tens and ones to use a number line to help us add. We're going to use a number line because where the number string isn't going to work. These answers are bigger than 20. So we have to imagine jumping tens. And we're going to go on to the next page. But maybe I should stop right there and make a new video. Oh, except for I can't. I'm going to let the video catch up, and then I'll stop it, and we'll go on to the next page with a new video. All kinds of think time. And you could be thinking ahead too about the next page and what I'm going to do. And hopefully the video will go faster the next time I do a lesson, and we won't have to wait for it. There. Okay, I'm getting started now. I think I know what I'm going to do next time. Okay. Purple, 15, plus red, 12. 15 is bigger. That's why we started with 15. I didn't circle it, it came first. But you could circle the 15. You don't have to start with 0 on your number line. You can start wherever your biggest number starts at. Make it easier. Don't make it harder than it has to be. I guess the beauty is you hear this twice. You heard me say it once, and now you're going to hear me say it twice. So there I go, 15 on the number line. Then to add 12, I'll do a jump of 10, and then 2 ones. Plus 10, plus 2 ones, because 10, 11, 12, 2 ones. Equals 27, and I'm going to stop right there.